Go what?
Go what?
Not tuned at all.
Right, so I'll idle it a little bit myself?
No, it should idle on its own. You might have to lift the gas just a bit.
Okay.
You're smiling like a 4-year-old
All right,
on
like,
Christmas.
I know.
Make sure you're in neutral.
No, this is the good part.
If you're on Patreon, you've already heard it run.
That's really loud.
Give her a good one.
That's so fucking loud, dude. And it's like right by the window too, so.
What? I can't hear you.
I mean,
It's untuned. This is just a base map.
yeah, that's crazy. This solid mounted is smoother inside than my Miata with like super soft engine mounts.
Yeah.
It runs so smooth.
It's because it's a Lexus.
Yeah.
All of the throttle response and all that stuff is going to be way better than
Oh
it
yeah.
already is.
It's even really not that bad right now.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's already not bad, but it's going to be way better.
Hey, ladies.
Yeah, that's
Oh, those fumes are getting me high.
yeah, no cats, no muffler. Wow, those are like, that heat wrap works pretty well. So yeah, guys, the drift truck is running. This is so insane. It's so loud. It's so awesome. Right now we're letting it idle. We're letting it warm up, bleeding the coolant, making sure everything is good. But yeah, this is so crazy. It finally happened. I told you guys. I knew it would happen. How high was that in the revs?
3.
It's only 3. That's insane. One of the things I'm really excited about, the engine and the transmission are solid mounted. There's no bushings, and it still feels so smooth. The Lexus 8-cylinder just runs so smooth. You can't tell it's solid mounted.
You think it'll shoot flames?
Well, I'm sure it could. Silence. You know what's sad?
What?
I've been paying for insurance this entire time.
Are you
on this
serious?
truck. Yeah.
You know they have storage insurance,
I know.
right?
I just like 1 month I was like, oh, it'll be done in like a month. So I was like, it's not worth it. And then 4 months later, hey, if anything happened to it, it'd be insured.
Yeah, did anything happen to it?
Yeah, someone stole the engine and put a new one in.
You're right, Adam did that.
You stole the engine though.
I did steal the
Tore it
engine
apart.
and gave it back in
Everyone
shambles.
did. Yeah.
You're rotary god. You are the rotary guy.
All right.
You really like this truck. What's that about?
Oh, it does. Just because I like rotaries doesn't mean I can't like anything else.
It's a Mazda.
This is Mazda.
Through all of this, you kept the same rug inside.
I know.
Same little...
It's staying.
What?
It adds character.
Yeah, clean up your bed.
Hey, that's what a truck's for.
You gonna bedline it?
I think, so for now I'm not going to, but when I go to probably wrap the truck, we can't wrap the bed because there's so many things, so then I'll bedline it.
Are you
So
gonna wrap it?
It's cheaper than painting it.
Is that a world's first? Are you unveiling
Yeah.
that right now here on your video?
It's gonna stay red for a while. I like the red.
It's honestly like video doesn't do it justice. This thing is stupid clean.
Yeah, it is. For $1,500, dude.
Kinda makes
such
me
a
mad.
good deal. I know. What are your thoughts on the truck, Zach?
My thoughts on the truck? I think it sounds sick.
I think it sounds.
Here's the thing. I'm gonna be honest right now. It's honesty hour. I wanted to hate your truck really bad because you didn't 13B swap it like I thought you were going to. But then I heard it start up and it looks good and it's clean, so I can't hate it in good faith.
I appreciate that.
That looks...
So right now we're kind of just doing all the little things. Bed is bolted back in. The little exhaust plate is on. I'm replacing the self-tappers with rivets in the future. Interior's kind of going back together, and engine-based stuff is going back together. We're back at the shop. That's it for this video. The truck has officially ran. It's officially started. It's running really, really well. Everything is working. Fuel pressure, good. Oil pressure, good. No leaks. We're hoping to dyno it sometime this week. We don't really know. Mike's dyno needs a couple of parts before it reads correctly, so we have to wait for that. While we're waiting for that, I'm gonna go to Mike's shop and work on it. We're gonna do some angle mods. We got some rear shocks coming, and then we'll dyno it, and then we'll bring it home. I'm so happy. I was starting to think like this was never gonna happen. Like so many things were going wrong. It was taking so long, but it happened. Sounds really good. I can't wait to get it outside and just rip it and full throttle and actually get load on it. And I'm hoping to make 300 wheel on the dyno. I think that would be so good. And if we don't make that, then when we do it with E85, we will. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know what you think. I know it was a long wait, but it's gonna be worth it, guys. So that's it. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. More truck stuff coming this week.